Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Hello, friends.
Hello, namaste. मेरा नाम है रीना
And my name is Amir.
and welcome to our channel.
Life with a Russian vibe.
Happy winter, everyone.
And happy December, friends.
Friends, as you already know, I love celebrations and I love to decorate house. And right now, as the festive season already started, all the world and especially even Russia, they decorated the streets. They have decorated everywhere. Houses are also fully prepared for festive season, for season of joy, of season of Christmas and New Year. So as you see, our house is still
Not decorated.
And what we have to do? We have to assemble tree, make many other arrangements that house will be fully prepared to celebrate the best winter festival. Oh, I love it. And you see, yay, I have already got something. Tinsels.
Wow. इंडिया में भी डेकोरेशन अब हर जगह स्टार्ट हो गया, मॉल्स में, मार्केट एरिया में, हर जगह आपको डेकोरेशन मिलेगा. और इरिना को ये जो सीजन है दिसंबर का, शी लाइक इज वेरी मच, फॉर हर इज लाइक अ मैजिकल प्लेस, एवरीवेयर इज मैजिक. सो एज यूजुअल हमेशा पास्ट ईयर से मैं ऑलवेज ऑफिस में होता हूँ, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होता मैं घर में आऊँ और हेल्प करूँ क्रिसमस डेकोरेशन, न्यू ईयर डेकोरेशन में. सो इस बार मैंने डिसाइड करा है, सो आई विल हेल्प हर इन decorating the Christmas tree, decorating the house.
Not only decorating, you know.
Not only.
He has to assemble. You see, I cannot assemble. He has to assemble the tree because we cannot get the natural tree, we cannot get the evergreen tree, but we have the artificial one. So first, before decorating, you have to assemble it. Let's see whether he will manage at least to do it. He has no idea how to do it. And he has no idea what to put on the tree. He already sees it assembled. So, what do you think he will manage to do? Huh? He will manage.
Oh, definitely I will manage. For me, it's not a big deal.
Yes, and then I'll say how well you'll decorate this house.
Okay.
Friends, you see I have already prepared the beautiful snowflake. It's 3D snowflake. But I need 2 more pieces. So, right now I will tell to my darling to assemble it. I will teach him. And of course you also can follow and you can make the same beautiful snowflake and you can make it any colors by yourself at home. Really to do? Yeah.
But it looks so difficult.
No, it's not difficult.
Not
It's
difficult.
just, yes, 5 minutes work. So, let's start.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, for the snowflake we need 6 pages like this. You have to just measure that it will be exact square shape. And the extra, what do we do?
Cut.
We are cutting. Fast.
Fast.
Do not waste time. We have to make it fast because I have to do other decorations. So
Okay.
now I got 6 pages like this, right?
Okay.
I will show you only 1 page. All the rest you do by yourself. Fine?
Okay, I will do.
See, we have to fold our square piece into half. And we will get like this triangle. Okay? Easy?
Very easy.
Remembered. Now we got like this triangle. Open. Oh, yum. Вкусно. And now I'm folding it one more time. Remember?
Yeah,
Fold it one more time. Just easy. Hop.
like a cap.
Not a cap, you see? One time fold.
2 times fold.
Another time fold. That's it. So we got with you. Not sharp, little bit. Okay. So we got like this.
Okay.
And now I have to cut it. So you see, these are the openings. I'm keeping the opening down.
Okay.
And I have to cut. In my, I have done 5 lines. So here I also will do 5 lines.
Okay.
So we have to cut 4 times in order to get 5 parts. Fine.
Okay.
Let's say they should be approximately the same. Okay, sing for me.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Done. So you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5th one. And now when I will open it, I will have this type of structure.
Wow, so amazing
So
structure.
you have to cut 6 pieces like this, right?
Okay.
Do your work fast. Jaldi karo.
I will karo jaldi
Jaldi karo.
I will do jaldi.
Okay. Meanwhile, I will cut these extra papers for other things.
Okay. Very easy. मुझे लगा था ये थोड़ा difficult होगा, but it's very easy.
Nothing. So now we need glue sticks. Which one you want? Big or small?
Any glue stick.
Okay. So let's take this one. And now we have to assemble it because this is just cut piece of paper. So the central part which is solid, you like facing you, right? And now this central part, this one, we have to glue, check like this. We are taking the central and we are gluing like this up,
Okay.
like this, fine? So you can do it faster. It's not difficult. Up, up, up. Dun, 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 dun. You see, it is not difficult. So see, this part came like that. Oh, finger inside. Like that, okay? I can see you. Okay, and now from this side where we did not glue anything, you have to, yes, and now so glued, and now you are taking out the other two parts and putting reverse. Oh,
Okay. I understood the trick.
understood it? Great.
Okay.
So help me to do the snowflake.
Okay, I will do snowflake. Fast.
Right. So you understood the trick? Front, the central part is looking at you, and the other part which you glued is reverse. Right? Check like this. Oh, understood. Now we are doing all the rest parts are in the same way. See, I will show you once and then I will not show. And then another one, again we are doing reverse. Now we are doing to the small front. This 1 second is going
Okay.
opposite. So every part you have to do reverse.
Okay.
Okay? That it will not fall from the sky. Can you imagine it will be falling?
It will not fall. I'm a magic man.
Then another one on mine, and mine just paper stick. Then another one, see, opposite. So each and every part should be opposite direction, and see what you'll get at last, like this. Check, like this. Oh,
Wow, magical snow.
write in your comments whether you also do snowflakes or any type of stuff. Maybe you also do celebrate Christmas. So how do you decorate your house? What do you put there? Maybe you are already buying ready-made snowflakes. But yes, snowflakes is the thing which you have to do by yourself because you are putting their emotion. Wow, he did it! Yay! Молодец!
Thank you.
So we need 6 parts.
तो देखिए दोस्तों, मैंने अपना काम कर लिया है। मैंने 6 पीस के ऐसे फोल्डिंग बना लिए। ये कितने खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं earrings की
It's
तरह।
not easy.
और डेकोरेशन के लिए आप लटका भी सकते हो कहीं ऊपर।
No, of course you can put like this also, but I need a big snowflake. So what
See?
do we do? We
कितना
have
खूबसूरत है।
खूबसूरत, इतना खूबसूरत. Now we have to assemble it into this one.
We have to
So-
make a star.
Of course, it's not a star, it's a giant snowflake.
Giant snowflake.
So now you see, I also have few.
Hmm.
We have to assemble it. You take the big one,
Okay.
and first you attach these parts like
Okay.
this together, just a little bit, and then you have to find out the extreme, this and these things. So you have to put little bit glue here and here, and glue it as it is, so it will come like that. Tin, tin, tin. Every
Like-
part
so
you
like
have to
this?
glue like this. Yes, like this.
And this
Wait.
is this and this and this.
And this, yes.
देखिए फ्रेंड्स, मैंने भी स्नोफ्लेक बना लिया। कितना खूबसूरत लग रहा
Yes,
है
really
ये।
very beautiful.
कहीं इसमें लाइट लग जाए तो और अच्छा लगेगा ना। the
That's
light.
true.
और ये भी मैंने बनाया, देखिए कितना फास्ट वर्क है मेरा।
It's not you. I have made this one, okay?
You have made.
I have
Okay,
made.
okay, you have made both.
By the way, see, as you have seen, I have already leftovers of the papers. but I'm not throwing these leftovers. Why did I cut them? You have seen? Because I'm making like this chain. You see,
Chain
you
of
can decorate
papers.
also.
Wow.
Because if you will put it everywhere in the house, it will be also very nice looking. See?
Ah, so beautiful. We can decorate the edges. घर में.
So
Wow, so beautiful.
let's go because work is there. We have to do so many
Oh,
things.
so much work. Trees pending.
Of course, let's go.
Let's
Fast,
go, let's
fast.
go, let's
Jump.
go. और फाइनली हमने बना लिए हैं डेकोरेशन पेपर के और इट्स टाइम फॉर क्रिसमस ट्री डेकोरेशन. सो ये एक स्टैंड है और ये ऊपर का ट्री है. सो मैं फिक्स करूंगा. अब मेरा फिक्स.
It's not a stand, it's one tree.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, माफ करिएगा दोस्तों, पहली बार बना रहा हूँ तो हो जाता है. चलो मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ क्रिसमस ट्री. सो हमने स्टैंड के स्क्रू लगा लिए हैं. अब पाइन ट्री की बुशेस खोलने का टाइम.
And who will fix the upper part of the tree?
उसका भी बारी आएगी, लेकिन पहले
Oh.
बुशेस खोल लें.
Oh,
वाह.
it feels like my tree will take centuries to be assembled.
नॉट सेंचुरी. ट्री आपकी इसी सेंचुरी में बनेगी. और ये हमने बुशेस खोल दिए हैं और ये आ गया ट्री असेंबल करने का टाइम. Oops.
What cannot fit?
Yes.
Now I have to make it more tight that it will not fall. It seems like after a few days this tree will be collapsed.
और ये फिक्स हो गई है ट्री. अब इसके स्टेम्स को बाहर निकालेंगे. वाओ, ऑलरेडी फेस्टिव फीलिंग.
Not at all.
Not at all festive
It
feeling.
seems like it was in so many accidents. Poor tree. It feels like, you brought it from I do not know where.
I brought it. Yeah. अरे, I think that side. यह मैं ओपन करना भूल गया. So मैं अभी ओपन करता हूँ. ये भी कुछ है क्या?
Uche, you have to open it, right?
This is the head. Okay. Finally, ट्री असेंबल हो चुका है, लेकिन डेकोरेशन करने की बारी है.
Which decoration?
मेरे ख्याल से इसमें हम टॉयज लगाएंगे.
Which toys? First, we have to put the garlands. We have to put the lights first.
Lights.
Definitely.
Okay. जलने वाली लाइट.
Ah,
Blinking. Okay.
this one, right?
Okay, this one.
First lights, of course.
Okay, so let's. थोड़ा मैं जगह छोड़ दूंगा ताकि वायर लगा सके. This one is fine. अब मुझे लाइट को यार रोल करना है. फाइनली देखिए ट्रीज पे लाइट लग गई है. कितनी अच्छी ट्री लग गई. वाह. फाइनली मेरा काम तो खत्म हो गया, लेकिन मुझे
Khatam, not khatam. It's not even done. See, nothing is there on the tree.
बट मुझे आपकी हेल्प चाहिए यहाँ पे ऑर्नामेंट्स लगाने में.
All right, so let's do
You
it
help
together.
me?
Okay, let's do it
Okay,
together.
come.
All right, so let's start decorating
Let's start decorating together.
See, I like this one, and you?
I like balls.
But mine is also bold.
Also balls.
You like to decorate tree, no? Or you feel it's like mandatory duty? Oh, I do not want the girls to do that.
No. साल में एक बार ही क्रिसमस आता है. Why not to decorate?
Oh, wow.
और कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, already festive feeling is coming.
I also love it.
You also
See,
love.
I have even a bell.
I also have a bell. Ting. हम सिर्फ रेड एंड गोल्डन क्यों लगा रहे हैं?
Because I love combination of red and golden. See, it looks so festive. And even my sweater is also red.
But I like multicolor. I want to put silver, blue, green.
Oh.
No.
Okay, put.
Okay.
Let it be. As it is your time to decorate, you're free to put whatever you feel like.
Silver balls, silver balls. Yeah. और आप भी दोस्तों घर पे ट्राई करिएगा. क्रिसमस के टाइम पे, न्यू ईयर के टाइम पे एक छोटा सा ट्री लगाइए घर पे. और कितना अच्छा फेस्टिव फीलिंग आएगा. घर में जिनके छोटे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उनको भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा साथ में ट्रीज के. दे विल बी हैप्पी.
But bacho, no bacho. I'm also big bacha. I'm big child, okay? Every one of us Believe me, every one of us within our soul, within our heart are children. And everyone wants some magic, something, at least to feel some different type of emotions, at least for one day. And of course, my tree gives me emotions for whole year around. Because, once you're boosted, then whole year you're boosted. You feel whole year so festive. Don't you think?
Definitely. Let me boost bells here. So it's almost done.
When it is done, something is missing. Very important thing.
What?
So,
Oh, you mean to say star?
definitely, and I'm giving you the honor to put it.
Wow, so beautiful and big star. So I will put. Now finally star left to put. और ये क्राउन जाएगा हमारी ट्री के ऊपर और ये हम लगाएंगे इसके ऊपर. Wow.
Wow, what a beautiful shiny star we got.
See, wow, finally I managed to make beautiful
Really
tree.
beautiful.
Really beautiful like me. And
Definitely.
like you, definitely.
No doubts, like you only.
Thank you, thank you.
So, one more part is missing. What else? Check the tree.
हमने लाइट्स लगा दिए, टॉयज लगा दी है, स्टार लगा दिए, एंजल्स लगा दिए. I think frill.
No frill, tinsels. Tinsels are
Tinsels
missing.
are missing.
Right, so let's put them
So
over
let's-
and the tree will
Tree's
be
almost
done.
फाइनली हमारा ट्री डेकोरेशन खत्म हो चुका है और देखिए कितना अच्छा और फेस्टिव लग रहा है हमारा क्रिसमस ट्री.
Though it's little bit small, but something is better than nothing, and it really gives festive feeling. It gives emotions a lot.
यस और अभी डेकोरेशन खत्म नहीं हुआ है. अभी हमने स्टार बनाए थे वो भी हमें डेकोरेट करने
See, we
हैं.
already have put here some tinsels. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
And did you notice that I'm wearing the sweater which is with? Do you know who is this?
It's a reindeer.
And his name is
Rudolph. Yeah.
Rudolph the red-nosed
Reindeer.
reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw him, have you heard about Rudolph? So I'm
Yeah.
Rudolph.
Yeah. And you have a shiny nose also.
Yay!
So अभी डेकोरेशन बाकी है. अभी डेकोरेशन हम करेंगे हाउस का फाइनली एंड then our house will look
I
magical.
will definitely show you. So, and meanwhile, press the bell icon to get the notifications and do subscribe if you haven't done yet.
So हमारा फाइनली घर अभी डेकोरेट हो चुका है और देखिए कैसा लग रहा है हमारा घर. So दोस्तों कैसा लगा आपको हमारा डेकोरेशन पसंद आया?
And I want to ask you personally, so how did you feel decorating and preparing for Christmas? So did you get some positive vibes and festive mode what do you feel about preparation for so festivities?
वैसे मुझे तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। मैं हमेशा ऑफिस में बिजी रहता था और अब पता लगता है कि काफ़ी टाइम लगता है और काफ़ी हार्ड वर्क है। और जब आप ये डेकोरेट करते हो, अपने घर को सजाते हो, ट्री या जो भी गार्डन वार्डन लाइट, तो एक फेस्टिव सी फीलिंग अंदर से आती है। और मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा आज अपनी वाइफ की हेल्प करते हुए। सो थैंक यू सो मच।
So, and thank you so much, because without you, I would take definitely more hours. But I bet you really enjoyed the decoration with me, right?
Definitely, I really enjoyed.
And you see, under our tree, there is still nothing, because
Gifts are pending.
I'm waiting for the festival. I'm waiting for the day when Santa will bring me something under the tree.
Oh.
So friends, please let us know what do you think about our today's video. And for me personally, it's really important to know whether you like our tree, did you like our decorations, and if in case you would be putting New Year tree or Christmas tree by yourself, will you put in similar manner, will you decorate in similar pattern like we have done? So write your valuable comments and do share our video, because we just only few are left, few people only left till 1000 subscribers, and let's make this year, coming year, together festive, and we will make it happy. If you will get 1000 subscribers, please share your love with us, and we will love you back double more, because you know this is the universal rule: the more you give, the more you get. So we give you our love, we give you our emotions. Of course, sometimes there may be sad emotions, but mostly happy emotions. And we will hope that we will get from you your love back.
और ऐसे ही हमें सपोर्ट करते रहिए और ऐसे ही हमें प्यार बांटते रहिए। And if you like our today's vlog, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel.
And see you really very soon.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.